Hello everyone. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I said I was gonna post once a week, but now it's been, you know what, 3 weeks. So anyways, want to give you guys a quick update. I ended up buying a second engine. I found this one on eBay. It was locally, well, it was about an hour away, so I went to pick it up myself. Now what I plan on doing is taking out the blown engine and replacing it with this second engine that I got. So I'd really like to drive the car this summer, and that's the reason why I bought it, so I can drive it around as I'm building this first engine that I bought, which is going to be my built block, head, whatever. Yeah, stay tuned. I will hook you guys up with more videos, and we'll see where this goes.
In my mouth.
Hey guys, have an update. Sorry if I sound a little weird. I got my 4 wisdom teeth removed on Wednesday, and today is day 4, so I'm still recovering. But so we're gonna be pulling the engine here in a second. My brother's helping me out with this because I really can't do much. So anyways, we got harness and everything is unplugged. Everything's ready to go. And oh, by the way, so there's that massive hole, so you can see the floor down there. But yeah, the underside, the oil pan looks a lot worse.
Is this gonna get hit your hood? Did you guys take your hood off?
Oh shit, yeah. Wait. Yeah.
It's gonna really hurt.
Wait a minute. It's gonna like hit or anything like that. What's that? Is that the pulley? Mm-hmm. Just make sure it doesn't like. Hold on. Got the brakes on. Go a little bit your way. Oh, your way, pull. Alright, you clear that? Are you clear over there?
Yeah.
Nothing else? Oh shit. What the fuck is this one? No, it's not that. I think we're good. You see anything else over there?
No.
Sweet.
You're out on my side.
Now it's just gonna be a fucking trip getting this back together and back in there.
Yep.
But that is the only thing that I was aware of until I got under the car about last week, and I realized that, here, let's see, it's much worse than I thought. So there's another hole, and then there's this massive hole right here. So I can literally like put my fist in there. Going on this boys. Not going anywhere. Well, that was a fucking trip. Alright, we good? We give it to you, man. Alright. Dude, a piece hit my exhaust. I think it should be fine. Right?